Hey there, I am Ícaro. Today I'm excited to guide you through achieving a beautiful voice with just 3 easy steps. In my other channel, my Portuguese channel that I have 1.5 million subscribers, Portuguese Brazilian subscribers, I always receive this question: how can I have a beautiful voice? For people that are start to taking vocal classes, people with experience on that, they usually ask us this question: how can I have a beautiful voice? How can I improve my timbre? Others who are more dramatic often say, oh, I don't have a beautiful voice. That's why I will never sing well. This is over now. I have good news. You can improve your voice. Let me say that. Your speaking voice is full of vibes, full of things that you don't use in your singing voice. And when you start to take vocal classes, we will learn about adjustments, about many new possibilities that you can bring to your voice and make it sound better. In my case, I really don't like my speaking voice, but when I sing, I can bring those tools and adjustments to my singing voice. I can use many tools and possibilities to make my voice sound like I want. Attention, I'm not saying to pretend to be another person or have another person's voice. I'm talking about you knowing the beautiful possibilities on your own voice. Enough with explanations, let's go to the exercises. First, sing a part of a song. We'll use this sample to compare with our voice at the end of the exercises. Alright, let's do this. How about you sing that song you love? Take a few moments, feel free to pause this video and belt it out. No worries if it takes a bit to remember. It's totally normal to draw a blank when you are on the spot. I get it. Sing and pay attention how it feels, how it sounds. Okay? Good. Now we can start with the vocal transformation. For the first exercise, we will prepare the soil for a healthy practice, for a healthy exercise. Don't skip this part, I'm watching. We will practice using some notes. But you feel free to use lip trills or tongue trills. Choose whichever is easier for you. If you can't do tongue trills, it's totally normal. Don't worry about that. I will need the help of my keyboard. Okay, so one example. Or ladies. Okay, let's go. Or 1, 2, 3, go. Low volume. Keep doing. Let's go up. Okay. Try relax. And feel cheese. And feel cheesy. Low volume. The last. Okay, you will need to do this 2 more times. So go back in the time below or use YouTube chapters to help you to go to exactly part when we started the exercise. If you have already done it, let's move on to the next exercise. For the next exercise, we will need something like a pencil or something with this shape, okay? Place it between your teeth and bite down slowly, like this. Then we will try to sing this, but with the pencil between the teeth. Let's try without the teeth, without the pencil. Mi, me, ma, mo, mi, me, ma, mo, mu. Try to over-articulate. Mi, me, ma, mo, mi, me, ma, mo, mu. Try. Mi, me, ma, mo, mi, me, ma, mo, mu. Mi, me, ma, mo, mi, me, ma, mo, mu. Okay, now let's do this with the pencil. We need to try to reach the same sound quality, the same articulation. It's kind of impossible, but you need to try. It's like an articulation workout. Place the pencil between your teeth and mi, me, ma, mo, mi. Let's try once and go to exercise. Mi, me, ma, mo, mi, me, ma, mo, mo. Alright, let's go. 1, 2, 3, go. Mi, me, ma, mo, mi, me, ma, mo, mo. Mi, me, ma. Okay. Over articulation. Mi, me, ma, mo, mi, me, ma, mo, mo. Okay. Mi, me, ma, mo, mi, me, ma, mo, mo. Okay. Mi, me, ma, mo, mi, me, ma, mo, mo. Oh, mi, me, ma. All right. Mi, me, ma, mo, mi, me, ma, mo, mo. The last. Okay, like the last exercise, we need to do this 2 more times. So go back the time below or use YouTube chapters. If you have already done it, let's go to the next and last exercise. Remember, you need to do this like I'm telling you to do. Don't skip any step. Let's go to the next and last exercise. We will do an exercise called finger kazoo. A kazoo is like a whistle, but we don't have this whistle. We will use our fingers. That's why it's called finger kazoo, like this. So you need to blow and block your lips with your fingers, like this. You need sufficient pressure to maintain and keep your cheeks full of air during all the exercise. And we will sing these notes with our fingers blocking our lips. Let's go together. 1, 2, 3, go. Slowly. Let's move up. Don't lose this shape. Very well. The last. Alright, if you feel dizzy or too tired, take a breath, pause, and start it again. So, like the last exercise, we need to do this 2 more times. It's the last exercise. Go on. So if you complete all the steps and did the exercise correctly, let's check our voice now. Remember that song that we sang at the beginning of the exercise? Sing it again and try to feel how your voice sounds now, how it feels. The most common result is a voice rich, full of body, a voice that's pleasant to hear, making it easier to sing high notes, for example. If you don't have many results right now, don't worry. Keep doing the exercise and the results will come. For more durable results, everyone needs to train this every day, between 2 and 4 weeks. The desirable number of daily repetitions is 2. So let me know, did you like this video? How about your results? Let me know in the comments, okay? And please don't forget to subscribe in this channel. Ciao!